On Saturday, April 16th, about 1:30 in the morning, I was aroused by a loud pounding in my chest. My heart was racing out of control. I heard a humming sound, but could not determine what it was. I was too tired to bother. I left my bedroom and went into the living room to go back to sleep. At 3:30 in the morning, the same thing happened again. Racing heartbeat and the humming noise. I was weak, but tried to stay alert. There was car door slamming and low music at 3709 Thug's house. Later, I realized that my car was turned on remotely and left running in the garage. FBI agents could hear my heartbeat, so why couldn't they hear the car? Sir, federal agents have now recruited the thugs that they should have arrested months ago to carry out acts of terror. I have the following priceless items that agents are desperate to get. 1. Tainted boxes of coconut water. 2. Tainted Quaker oats. 3. 2 tainted bottles of blood pressure medication. Saturday night, there was unusual behavior and low music at Thug's house. I left my garage door partially opened because I could not get the battery terminal disconnected.